Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we shall learn how to draw the cartoon version of Thor. Ready? Go grab your pencils and we shall get started. Let us start by drawing his helmet today. Draw an inverted C, followed by a tiny line down, like so. From the top, create a slightly pointed tip, then repeat the same steps. Next, at the right-hand side, roughly the position the arrow is, draw a curved line down, following the outline of the helmet. Let us move on to the left side. Slightly below the middle, draw a big curly M across, like so. Then, we shall add in some lines on the top of the helmet. Moving on, at the position where you drew the inner curve just now, draw an inverted pointed V, followed by a curved line down to meet at the end of the helmet. Next, on the left side, draw an inverted U. Then, from the middle of the U, following the outline of the helmet, draw a curved line down. Create a diamond shape at the end, and add a tiny line inside the inverted U to complete. Add some lines to the right side for design. And close off the gap at the bottom of the helmet. Create the 3D feeling by adding two curved lines at each side. Now, we shall proceed to work on his eyebrows and eyes. Add in a series of circles for his eyes. Shade them. Now we can add another tiny circle for his mouth. Thor's head is completed now. We shall move on to drawing his hand holding on to his hammer. Draw a small curved line first. Leave a little space. Draw a tick, then a small round. Finish off with a curve below, like so. Moving on, we will proceed with drawing the hammer. First, a downward inverted L for its handle. Then we will work on adding in the hammer's head. Draw a rectangle. Followed by a slightly slanted one above it. And a trapezium shape at the other side of the rectangle. Let's now create a 3D effect for the hammer. From the top, draw a roughly 45 degrees slanted line. And follow the base shape that we have drew. Then close at the end. Now we can add in a line at each bends. And a semicircle at where the handle is to complete. Let's now close up his hand by using a wide-angled V. Add in his other hand by using a slightly slanted U. Then close the gap. We can work on dressing him up now. First, draw a diamond shape in the middle of the body to guide our design later. Next, from the top, draw a line following the outline of the diamond. Then a straight line down, like so. Repeat the same steps for the other side. Add 2 inverted U, one at each side, and close off the gap below. Next, draw a rounded W to represent his legs. At a small distance below, draw a wide-angled V, followed by a square in the middle. Then add a line in the square. Next, let us draw in a series of circles to complete the armor. And 2 inverted V in the middle of each leg. We are almost there now. We will just have to add in Thor's cape and we will be done. Draw a roughly 45-degree angled triangle at the right side, and a slightly less than a right angle at the left side. Then a line in between his legs to close off. Add a series of lines on the cape to complete. You have learned how to draw the cartoon version of Thor now. Hope you enjoyed drawing with me. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.